Hi guys, myself Rakshith R from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let us know about HTML structure and its syntax. Introduction. This presentation introduces the following: doc type declaration, HTML tags, elements and attributes. Section of web document, role of web browser, text editor, saving and previewing the files. World Wide Web Consortium. HTML5 is a cooperation between the World Wide Web Consortium, it's also known as W3C, and the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. Doctype declaration. In HTML5, there is only one doctype declaration, and it is very simple. It's also known as hyphen doctype HTML. The doctype is not an HTML tag, it is a declaration. It tells the browser the version of HTML. Let us know about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the primary language for building and creating web pages. HTML is a markup language that uses markup tags which describes or define content in a web document. It is not a scripting or programming language. HTML documents contain HTML tags and plain text, which are often simply called web pages. Let us know about what is HTML code. HTML code is often referred to as source code. HTML can be coded using a plain text editor. When using a text editor, save the HTML document using the file extension .html or .htm. There are certain rules for HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords, which are also known as tag names, and are enclosed inside angle brackets. HTML tags occur in pairs with an opening and closing tag, like body and slash body. The first tag in a pair, the opening body indicates the starting of tag, means starting of web document. The second tag, the closing slash body indicates end tag and end of the body section. The closing tag is written like the start tag but with the forward slash before the tag name slash body. The forward slash always precedes the tag name in the closing tag. Let us know about HTML tags. The text between the HTML tags is keyed in plain text. The following tags do not have space and are often called empty tags: br, hr, image, and meta. These tags do not have information that you would put between an opening and closing tag. While HTML tags are not case sensitive, they are generally keyed in all lowercase letters. Let us know about what is an HTML element. An HTML element consists of everything between the start tag and the end tag, including the tags. For example, h1, this is heading style 1 slash h1. HTML attribute. An HTML attribute gives elements additional meaning and context. The image tag requires the source attribute, which is also known as src attribute, and the alternative attribute, also known as alt attribute. The required alt attribute specifies an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. The user defines the text in the alt tag. What is an attribute? Attributes provide additional information about tags and control how the tag will be interpreted by the browser. Here is the example where the start tag is located and end tag and attributes. Let us know about attributes. Tags can have multiple attributes. Attributes have syntax rules, means they have some own rules. Attributes are entered inside the opening tag but not in the closing tag. Attributes are keyed in name or value pairs. Syntax name, which is name is equal to value, which is quoted in double quotes. The attributes should have an equal symbol followed by the value or setting for the attribute. Attribute values are enclosed within the quotation marks. There is an example for HTML document. Here it defines the web page of the HTML document. There are two sections in a web page. An HTML document consists of two sections, the head and the body. The head section contains information about your page. The title displays in the web browser title bar, not in the actual web document. The titles must be in head section. The meta tag provides additional information about the document. Internal and external CSS files are referenced in the head section. The body section contains the visible content of your page. Here you will be going to understand where the HTML head, body, and are located. Let us know more about HTML5 and audio. HTML5 introduced a standard way to embed an audio file on a web page using the audio tag. By using the audio tag, you can apply any audio visuals into the web document. The audio element allows multiple source elements. Source element can link to different audio files. The browser will use the first recognized format. Currently, there are three supported file formats for the audio element, which are known as MP3, WAV, and OGG. Web browser. The purpose of web browsers such as Google, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge is to read HTML documents and display them as web pages. By the use of web pages, we can browse anything we want to search. The browser does not display the HTML tags but uses the HTML tags to determine how the content of the HTML page is to be presented or displayed to the user. Let us see about how to save a file. When you save a HTML file, you can use either the .html or the .html file extension. There is no difference, it is entirely up to you. Save the file in a folder that is easy to remember. Keep file names shorter and descriptive. Avoid using spaces in file names. Let us see about how to preview the file. Open the HTML page in a web browser to preview it. You should view your page in multiple web browsers. Most likely, it will not look exactly the same in every web browser. You need to change the design of the web browser in each and every page. Thank you.